Welcome you to Fit Fusion 360. Please share and subscribe for our next video. Ever wondered how to make your vegan meals more exciting? Well, you're in for a treat. We're about to take a tour through the vibrant world of vegan cuisine, where variety and creativity reign supreme. We'll be exploring 5 quick and easy raw vegan dishes that can transform your weekly meal plan from blah to brilliant. Think fresh flavors, colorful presentations, and a burst of health benefits. Ready to embark on this delicious journey? Dive in. First up, we have the rainbow salad bowl, a burst of colors and flavors. This delightful dish is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Our ingredients? A medley of fresh, vibrant vegetables of your choice. Think red bell peppers, shredded purple cabbage, sunny yellow corn, and crisp green lettuce. We also throw in some diced avocado, a superfood well known for its heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Now, let's get to the fun part. Chop your veggies into bite-sized pieces and arrange them in a bowl, creating a beautiful rainbow. For the dressing, blend together some ripe avocado, a squeeze of fresh lime, a drizzle of olive oil, and a dash of sea salt until smooth. Pour this creamy dressing over your salad and give it a good toss. There you have it, a rainbow salad bowl, vibrant, delicious, and nourishing. A recipe that truly celebrates the natural beauty and flavor of raw vegetables. Next, we're whipping up a tropical green smoothie, a refreshing treat for your taste buds. Picture this, a bowl bursting with juicy tropical fruits like pineapples, mangoes, and banana, a handful of leafy greens such as baby spinach or kale, and a splash of your favorite plant-based milk, almond, oat, or perhaps coconut. Now let's break it down. Start by peeling and chopping the fruits, then toss them into your blender. Add in the leafy greens, and remember, the more the merrier. Pour in the plant-based milk for that smooth, creamy texture we all love in a smoothie. Blend it all together until it's smooth and creamy. But this isn't just a delicious drink, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. The tropical fruits are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, while the leafy greens provide a hefty dose of iron and calcium. And let's not forget the plant-based milk, a wonderful source of protein and healthy fats. And voila, a tropical green smoothie, your perfect morning energizer. Moving on, we're rolling into our raw vegan sushi rolls, a fusion of taste and health. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity and versatility. So let's get started. First off, our core ingredient, nori sheets. These are made from seaweed, which is not only rich in iodine but also provides a unique flavor that's essential for our sushi rolls. Next up, we have our vibrant fillings. You can choose from a wide array of fresh vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and avocados. These provide a crunch, a burst of flavors, and a whole lot of nutrients. Now let's get to the fun part, assembling our sushi rolls. Lay out a nori sheet, pile on your veggies, and roll it up nice and tight. It's as easy as that. And don't worry if it's not perfect, practice makes perfect. And besides, it's going to taste amazing regardless. Let's not forget our dipping sauce, a simple mix of tamari and wasabi. This gives our sushi a delightful kick and enhances the overall flavor profile. Plus, wasabi is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, so it's a win-win. So what's so special about these raw vegan sushi rolls? Well, they're packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they're absolutely delicious. They're also a fun and creative way to incorporate more veggies into your diet. And there you go, raw vegan sushi rolls, a fun and nutritious twist to your regular sushi. And that wraps up our quick and easy raw vegan favorites. We've journeyed through the vibrant and refreshing rainbow salad bowl, brimming with a spectrum of crunchy fresh vegetables and a tangy dressing. We've savored the taste of the tropics with our tropical green smoothie, a blend of ripe fruits and leafy greens that's as delicious as it is nutritious. And who can forget the delightful raw vegan sushi rolls? They're packed with an array of colorful vegetables and a hint of zesty lime. These recipes are just a taste of the wide array of vegan options out there. Embracing a vegan lifestyle opens up a world of culinary adventures, not to mention the many health benefits that come with it. It's about nourishing your body, respecting our planet, and yes, savoring every bite. Remember, being vegan doesn't mean sacrificing taste or variety. It's a journey of discovering new flavors, one meal at a time. So keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep enjoying the wholesome journey.